Let's build a terminal file explorer using the C programming language. We need to include the necessary header files first. Create a function to display information about files. Get file statistics using the stat function. Print a file type indicator and permission bits. Display the file size with proper formatting. Format and show the file modification time. Print the lim and add / for directories. Now create the main function for File Explorer. Set default directory to current directory. Check if user provided a directory as command line argument. Display the directory header and column titles. Open the directory for reading its contents. Declare variables for directory entries and paths. Read each entry in the directory. Skip hidden files that start with a dot character. Create the full path by combining directory and spelm. Call our function to display file information. Close the directory and end the program. Compile our Terminal File Explorer program. First, create some test files and directories. Now run our File Explorer on the current directory. Let's test it with a specific directory argument. Create a subdirectory with more files for testing. Test the File Explorer on the subdirectory. Show what happens with a non-existent directory. Create files with different permissions for testing. Run the File Explorer to see different permissions. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.